right, Keith, outside the studio looking pretty dreary, but that's not the case for everybody.
No, it's big state, and if you get north of Bangor, it's been a great day. Even over southern Maine, yeah, that's pretty classic. That's the fog is pretty thick there, and then, yeah, I mean, you don't have to go far north, and the interesting thing, too, is I was telling you guys, even just coming over the Casco Bay Bridge here from South Portland, I couldn't see the city at all. That's like, to me, that's under a half-mile visibility when you get to that point. So that's what we're going on down the south. A couple showers out there too. Most of that's been dying out, and a lot of us, almost everyone, has been dry today, waiting for the more significant rain to move in. That's back into just about the Champlain Valley of Vermont. That'll move through this evening as some showers. It will not look like this squall line that it is right now by the time it gets to us. It should be much weaker at that point. But here's your split state forecast visual. Look at Bangor, just about the cutoff. North of there, really, really nice day. South, we had some sun, but we've clouded up now, and a lot of us are dealing with that pretty good-looking fog bank out there. That'll continue through the rest of this evening along the coastline. We'll wait until after sunset to cloud up out towards Caribou and Presque Isle. Showers start working their way in later this evening into the early morning hours. Again, they should be lesser in intensity compared to what we have out right now across upstate New York. Quick rumble of thunder, not out of the question, but by the fact that it's the early morning, plus our temperature profile is cool, lends me to believe that it's not really going to work out that way, but we'll keep an eye on that. Showers early tomorrow morning through about the middle of the morning. And when you look to the west, you might see a little sunshine popping out here, and I think this is something we'll see Saturday and Sunday too. Chances of breaking out, and when we do, it'll be pretty warm pretty fast into the upper 70s, even some low 80s if you can get into the sun. That'll fuel even more showers, though, in the afternoon on Friday, and we'll do the same kind of pattern on Saturday, where we're decent here through the first half of the day, and then some pop-up showers and storms on Saturday afternoon. But look, I mean, you look at this Saturday afternoon, this is not going to be verbatim right, because that's not how thunderstorms work, but it gives you an idea of how much of the state is dry at any given time, and it's a good part of the state. Unfortunately, there's just going to be that shower chance around, and this is the nature of the beast when it comes to upper level lows. It provides instability, but no real focus for showers and storms, so they're pretty much anyone's guess within a day. That'll be Saturday, Sunday, and then we'll see an isolated shower on Monday too. So total rainfall amounts here tend to be heavier into the mountains and less along the coastline, and that just has to do with having slightly more stable marine air along the coast, so it'll probably be a little bit harder to pop up showers and storms. That's the difference in that rainfall total. So yeah, I mean, I think the weekend is fine. It's not like last weekend, which was just like whatever you want to do is going to work out perfectly weather-wise. This will have scattered showers around all weekend, Sunday afternoon, and then Monday, an isolated shower. We should be in good shape on Tuesday, Wednesday. We're watching Thursday. The models disagree on exactly what that day looks like. My overall feeling, though, is that next week will be pretty nice, and it'll be a little bit less unsettled than this stretch.
Could be a long wait before we see another weekend like last weekend.
That was, I mean, it was pretty much right between the uprights. Hopefully it's not a long one, but you're right, it's not common.
Yeah. All right, thank you.